Hey guys, so you saw the title, so yes, today's the day. Today's the day that I'm going to be installing the QTP electric cutouts on the Charger Hellcat. So super stoked. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. Hopefully I can get some good shots of before and after and some sound clips too. So enjoy the video. Both of the pipes cut out and he's just fitting them in right now. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Alright guys, so we got a little bit of issues with shoving the pipes together. You can see a little bit more so we can clamp her down, but gap here, and to try to get the pipe on, it's a little pipe in. There we go. So the next step obviously is putting, I'll get some more videos here shortly. Power wires and find a negative, so wire up to this air lighter right above the shifter. Trying to figure out how to run them either through the gear shifter panel right above it. We tapped into the, and yeah, looks like we're almost ready. So we are ready, we're almost ready for the first start. Underneath, there it is, silicone onto the plug, the wire is zip tied. That's the way it's supposed to be done, just like this. Alright guys, it looks like the pipes are finally installed. Pushed all the wind. I mean, these are just, who would want to buy ones that sat lower, you know? Every single day, something new. Hear the difference? Alright guys, here we go. Electric cutouts installed.